Hey, what's up guys, you're watching Fortech. So 2 days before auctioners for the OnePlus Nord 2 got the new update of A16, but unfortunately I was on Elixir based Android 12 ROM, so I was not able to timely give you the review of that update. But today I thought that some people who want to revert their phone from the Elixir to stock Auxion OS will get the tutorial. Also will do the review of the new update along with this video. So download all the necessary files from the link given under the video description. So before going forward, we need the old A15 ROM TWRP Android backup that I told you in the last video where we shifted from the Auxion OS A15 to Elixir ROM. You need to flash the LineageOS 11.zip available in the video description. Place that in a USB pen drive. We need the USB OTG because on the Android 12 internal storage will not be accessible through the TWRP. So first we need to flash the LineageOS 18.rom using the USB OTG. Video regarding that is available in right side card. I will not show that process here again, just follow that old video. Once you boot into the LineageOS 18.1, now we will start the restoration process of Auxion OS. So let's get started.
On a new adventure.
After booting into the LineageOS 18.1, now using the advanced reboot, boot your phone into the bootloader mode. Connect phone to the PC. So here we lost our TWRP in a flashing of LineageOS 18.1. So first we need to flash the TWRP. So open the command prompt. To flash the BBMeta, type the command shown on the screen or check the video description. Now type the fastboot flash recovery, name of image file that, and hit enter. Then type fastboot reboot recovery. Phone will boot into the TWRP. Now in TWRP, to create the TWRP backup folder, we need to take the backup of any small file using the backup option. Now connect phone to the PC and transfer the old Auxion OS backup file inside the folder name as TWRP backup. And it's done. Now tap the restore and you will see our current small backup file of LineageOS along with the new backup transferred from the PC to the phone. Select our old full Auxion OS backup folder and slide to restore. After complete restore, tap wipe and format the data, then just tap reboot and select the bootloader. Connect phone to the PC and then open the PowerShell window inside where we kept the Android backup folder on the PC. Now type command fastboot flash persist underscore image.emmc.win. After flashing completes, type fastboot reboot and you are done. Phone will take 5 minutes to boot. So here we downgraded to Android 11 based Auxion OS A15 update. If you go to the software update, immediately you will see the new update A16 with the changelog. If you are non-rooted without the TWRP, then download the update and flash it as usual. But if you are using the TWRP, then download and install the Auxion OS update app from the Play Store. Open it, setup. Here the app will also show you the same update A16. Download that 184 MB zip file. After complete download, it gets stored at the root of SD card in the phone. Now connect phone to the PC, open the CMD window on the PC and type following command fastboot reboot bootloader. Phone will boot into the bootloader mode. Now we need to flash the stock A15 boot image. Here I have given the image in a eMMC format for the Indian region. So to flash that, type fastboot flash boot.emmc.win. For EU region, I have given the file in a boot img format. So to flash that, you need to type fastboot flash boot.img. Now type fastboot reboot recovery. In the TWRP, now locate the A16 update zip, flash it. Now then flash the BBMeta and reboot. After flashing the BBMeta, phone will take 2 minutes to boot. So finally we are upgraded to newest firmware of Nord 2 Auxion OS A16. Now let's check the quick look of new A16 what changed. So if you go to about phone, we will see we are upgraded to A16. Security patch is of 5th December 2021, same as last A15. So this upgrade is just for some bug fixes that were found in A15 like call recording feature which was removed previously. Now if you go to the phone app and tap the 3-dot menu, we get the call recording option. But sometimes if you still didn't get that, just go to the phone app setting and wipe its data and it will be available again. Now we can take the call recording in a Google Dialer app again. As per the changelog, they have improved some system stability. Bluetooth calling issues have been fixed. I think it's the same changelog like the A15 update, which was still not got fixed in the old update. After fixing that bugs, they released this new update A16. So the next is the AI function in the video recording has been improved. Autofocus has been improved in the AI mode, so the camera is focusing on the object immediately after turning on that feature. So that's it all about the new update. Hope you understood whole the process of restoration of stock Oxygen OS. If you didn't took the Android backup last time, then I have another process of restoration of Oxygen OS. If you want that, then please mention in the comment section. I will create another video. So if you like my hard work, please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.